Monse.
And I'm Eduardo.
And we're going to make an experiment to show probability.
For this experiment, we will divide it in two parts, A and B. In part A, we will flip 2 coins 20 times and we will record our results. It can be heads heads, tails heads, or tails tails. After that, we will flip it 80 more times and we will record our results and compare it.
First, when we flipped the coins 20 times, our results were not similar to the ones we predicted. Because from heads heads, we got 8 times. From tails heads, heads tails, we got 9 times. And for tails tails, we got 3 times. That gives us 40% here, 45% here, and 15% here. You can see that there's a difference from our results. But when we flipped the coins 100 times, our results were more similar to the ones we predicted. Here we got 24 times from heads heads, 52 times for tails heads, heads tails, and 24 times from tails tails. That gives us a 24%, 52%, and 24%. You can see that when we flipped the coins 100 times, our results were more similar to the ones we predicted than when we flipped the coins 20
Part
times.
B, now we're going to place 50 red coin chips in a topper and 50 white coin chips in the same container. And in another container, we'll do the same thing. And this represents male and female.
We have 3 possibilities: to get red red, to get white white, and to get red white.
And now, after our predictions, we're going to see the results.
The same that the ones we predicted. From red bread, we got 24 out of 100. From white bread, we got 53 out of 100. And from white white, we got 23 out of 100. This gives us 24%, 53%, and 23%. Recessive genotype. Here in the ratio, we have 24, 53, and 23. And from phenotype, we have red, red, white. So you can see that the results are pretty much question time. Because predictions are like a guess, they are just like a possible explanation or an answer for a problem. So there can be errors on our predictions.
The more times we do the events, the less distinctive the variation will be, because as we do it more times, the probabilities will be repeating, so it will be more similar to the prediction, less than if we do it like once or twice. That's why the more you do the experiment, the times, for example, you flip the coin, it will get nearer to the predictions. Instead that if you do it less times, it will get more variation. our last question, we will say that the genotype will remain the same. 1, 2, 1, which means a ratio of 25% for RR capital, 50% for R capital and R lowercase, and 25% for double R lowercase. And the one that will have a change, it will be the phenotype, which it will change from 3 to 1 to the same as the genotype, 1 to 1, so the ratio will be the same.